We out here in the Delta, you know, we got a little call at the office saying that, you know, there was some juvenile delinquents out here making some, you know, commotion in the back of people's yards and stuff in the Delta. So, you know, we came over here to check some stuff out, and look what we find, man. Look at these criminals, man, out here just making a ruckus, just tearing up stuff, you know what I'm saying? We can't allow that, you know. I know it's Christmas and stuff, but we ain't giving out no breaks today, baby. It's crappie time, baby. You know what I'm saying? The end of 2009 been a good fishing year for the hit squad. We've been ripping all kind of fish all year, but you know, ain't nothing better than crappie time, baby. He definitely hitting the grease. Year to day.
Rippn lips all day. Wops. Oh, big wops. Oh, come here, baby. Oh, come here. Oh, big wops. Wops, wops, wops. Oh, came off in the net, ladies and gentlemen. Let me show y'all something. This 2009, the end of it, Christmas time, crappie derby, Rippn lips. Mr. Perfect has it havoc. You know, another hit squad extravaganza. Nice wops. All day. Yeeta dee. Stay tuned, baby.
Nice guy. Nice guy. Nice guy. Ah, well. Welcome back. Oh man, they some toads. You know? I mean, they really enjoying this little red chartreuse, little crappie jig. Love it. Gorgeous. Just beautiful. Just beautiful. Mwah.
I'm doing. You know, if you watch the Rippn Lips videos, you already know my niblets, crappie jig, some of your favorite juices. See, I've been locating them on the bottom. That's where I've been finding them at. So I got the barber a foot from the bottom. So I'm about to go to their house, serve them some drinks, bring some criminals to justice. I'm going undercover, gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen, go to the barber again. It's in their house. It's in their house. They sniffing it, they looking for it. Let me let it dance a little. Do, 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 do. Let it chill. Little dance. Do, 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 do. A little bit of chill. Come on now, you know it's a tasty treat right there. Little dance. Maybe I came around the backyard. Maybe in the front yard, ladies and gentlemen. We'll see though. Cause maybe the neighbor might want a little bit. See, I bring it down the street like the ice cream man. Do, 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 do. You know, ski. Okay. And that just let me know nobody on that block now. Now watch when I go around the corner. See now around the corner, they eat this up like ice cream. Okay, around the corner time. Watch how they do it around the corner. Foot from the bottom. Where the big hogs want to stay at. A little dance on them. Man, I'm sure y'all didn't tell them I was here or something. This looked like one of those. Somebody gave him the heads up or something. Hold on now. Hold on. Where are you, baby? Oh, showtime. There we go. I had to move it down the street a little faster. Somebody came running. Ice cream man. Ice cream man. Okay. Ooh, wops. 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 Come on now. Down the abyss lives wops. Oh my gosh. Oh, I don't know about y'all at home. Oh. But this is a tasty treat. Yay today. So, you know, stay tuned as I circle the block, hit it again, serve some more ice cream. Ooh. 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 It's a tank. Ooh. It's a tank. Oh, hold on, baby. Hold on. Hold on. Papa coming. Oh, there we go. Whew. That was nice. Nice fun little fight.
It's a tank.
Oh man, he wasn't going nowhere, oh. Check him out. That's what you call a hook set right there, ladies and gentlemen. Hook set. All the way through the top of his head. I'm gonna take his head off. Man, that's another nice lunker.
Magnificent. What? You took third place today. Yup, that's what's up. Hold on. Hit the D. Hold on. Right at the boat. Hold on. Ooh. Oh, it's a cat. Yeah. Yeet today. You know, the crappie jig catches everything. Anything that swims gets captured. Make sure your kids don't swim near me. They'll come right at the jig. It's that appealing. Yeet today. Oh, that's a nice cat. Jig came right out. He hit that right at the boat too, ladies and gentlemen. Magnificent, he's gonna have to hold on. Yeet today. That's a nice cat. All right, baby. You're lucky today. Today's crappie time. So go back home and play. One time.
What's going on, ladies and gents? It's your boy, man, it's the man, the Magnificent, coming in live and direct from the California Delta, man. Just finished up with this first season opener English Choice event. 2010 pro teams out in the Delta. I think today, December 19th. We had a cold, foggy morning, man. Rough start to a beautiful finish. Ended up taking third place today. Did a lot of cranking, a little bit of drop shot, a little flipping. But the crank beat, once again, the true fans know my favorite color, Tennessee Chastity baby. Put them in the box today. I won about 5 pounds, man. And, you know, it's official. We out here. You still at the house? Oh, man. Come rip something.
There it is. All right, Magnificent, you know. So you got it, y'all know how we do Rippn' Lips, man. The Magnificent out there doing big at tournaments, and your boy Havoc and the favorite fisherman, you know, we out here taking care of the crappies. So, you know, hit squad all over the world, and that's what we do, baby. Yeet today. What a dooski, Havoc.
What you do there, man?
So, you know, Rippn' Lips all day, baby. All right, Magnificent, I get at you, baby.
Yes, sir.
One time.
One time.